Hey garden friends! So today I'm going to be planting up some flowers in my wildflower garden that's up here on the side of our house. And I've had these are actually from my clearance haul, so you'll recognize all of these flowers. But I'm going to go ahead and try to get them in the ground because I need to film my June garden tour and I want to get these in the ground before then. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I have. So I have my Gaura here that is flanking this white coneflower, this white echinacea, and then I've got kind of my buttercream, what is these called? I can never remember. Banana cream. Amazing Daisies, Shasta Daisy banana cream. That's exactly what it is. So I've got these kind of in this semicircle around the spinca. Is that right? No. This is dianthus. Oh my goodness. Anyway, and then I've got a pink coneflower there as well, but it was not doing well at all. So I moved it over here hoping that it'll do better, and it kind of got surrounded and the light was completely blocked from it from all the stuff that I direct seeded. So I pulled a ton of that out, which is where I'm going to be putting all of this stuff. So hopefully he will bounce back in July, but we'll see how that goes. So I've got my two blue mirror delphiniums right over here, and then I've just got the banana cream Shasta Daisy right there. And then I have one little guy that I did pick up on clearance that is actually a Dahlia. It's yellow. It doesn't have a tag on it, but I figured it out before I left. So I'm just going to go ahead and stick him there. I try to kind of bunch things together in kind of a more natural formation because that's kind of, this is looking a little wild and I like that about it actually. So I'm going to kind of try to keep that going. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get this stuff in the ground. Okay, so this is the final product. So over here, I've got the 2 Gaura and then the coneflower. My plan is to be on the hunt for a couple of ground covers that I can just kind of put in between to kind of fill it out and make it look a little bit more full, if that makes sense, so the gaps don't look as bad. So I've got the banana cream, amazing daisies here, here, and then back here. You can see it has some dried blooms on there. And then I believe this is a pink coneflower right here, if he gets big enough to bloom this year. Like I said, he's kind of being rehabilitated from being in too much shade over on this side of the house. And then I've got another banana cream, and then 2 blue mirror delphiniums, and then this little mystery dahlia that is yellow. So I know it's at least like a bright lemon yellow, which I think will go perfect with the blue. And then I'm pretty sure that this is a white coneflower as well, if I'm remembering correctly. I think I planted the pink one there and then the white one over here. So I think that that's going to fill in and look really, really good. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is what the wildflower garden is looking at the end. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to see how the Gaura and the amazing Daisies banana cream, the blue mirror delphiniums, the mystery dahlia. I cannot wait to see how everything looks and fills in the summer. Oh my goodness, I'm already loving it, so I can't imagine how much better it's gonna look in July and August. I'm super excited. Okay guys, so that's all I